Okay guys, hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so how are you guys doing today? And if you're new, you're welcome, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great and very important way to gain an healthy weight, gain those weights at the right places, and look very beautiful also, because this is not only going to help you gain weight, but it's literally going to help you to also look really beautiful, because it's going to nourish up your skin from within, and your skin is going to be looking spotless, glowing from the outside. Okay, so the first ingredients I'm going to be making use of is mango. Yeah, so you have to get hold of mango in this season. So for me personally, I do not actually like to take mango with the seed, so I'm literally going to be removing the mango skin. I'm literally going to be removing the mango skin. So after that is done, then we're going to be removing the mango meat and putting in a blender. Alright, so this is it. Now you can use as many mango as you possibly can. Okay, for me, I'm actually not going to be using too much of it. So I know mango has so many species. In case you be wondering what kind of mango is that, this is actually a local mango that is usually very tiny, but it is usually very delicious. It tastes really good, and it's usually very tiny. So after that is done, then we are going to be needing to use yogurt. Okay guys, so when it comes to yogurt, when it comes to gaining weight guys, you'll be needing a whole lot of yogurt in your dish, okay, in your juice, okay, to make this ingredient work really fast and to give you that hourglass shape. Okay, so you're going to be pouring as much yogurt as you possibly can into this jug, or into the cup, sorry. And then the next and third ingredient is banana. Banana is great for weight gain. It literally had you up. It fills in your stomach. You're actually not going to be feeling to snack here and there. You're going to be feeling really cool. You're going to be feeling really full, and of course you're going to gain those healthy weights at the right places. Okay, so just like I earlier said, you can take as much banana as you possibly can, but for me, I'm going to be using just one banana anyway, since I am literally just going to be, I'm the only one who is drinking my juice. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing egg, and if you can, now if you can actually take raw egg, it is fine, but in this particular drink, we're not going to be doing it with raw egg. So I'm gonna go boil this egg and peel it, and I'll be right back. So this is my egg, cooked boiled egg. We're gonna be slicing it. Then we're gonna be turning that into the cup. Then we're gonna add water. And then we're going to give this drink a nice blend, okay? Alright, so we're done blending, and let me get a cup. So this is actually a very yummy and thick fat drink. It is equally very healthy, and it is actually very thick. Okay guys, so this is it. Wow, it looks good. I love the color is amazing, it's beautiful. Okay, so you go grab this, gain those healthy weight at the right places, look beautiful, you know, look sumptuous, get that hourglass and figure 8, and literally just look good. Okay guys, so when you want to store this, you're not going to be putting the egg and blend it. Well, you're not going to be putting the egg, because if you put the egg and blend it, it's not going to last that long. Okay, so you blend every other thing together. That's if you want to store, which I'll recommend or advise not to store this particular one. Just make it and drink it, but you have to be drinking it every morning, okay, for an effective and a great result. Okay, so this is actually going to gradually help you to gain weight. You're growing fat, okay, like you want to get fat at those front and back, try this drink. Yeah, it's actually a very thick, delicious drink. It tastes awesome, and it's usually thick, so when you drink it, it's going to fill your tummy, and it's going to it's going to make you gain a lot of weight. Okay, so do this every day for an effective result. Okay, don't just do it. It's an healthy juice, really healthy. Okay, so that's it. Once every day, once every morning, or once every night. Okay, all right, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Go give this a go, and I'm sure you are gonna be loving it. The taste is beautiful, the taste is very delicious, the color is amazing. Cheers, subscribe and share.